Okay, so next step is to test this resource by using Postman. Postman is a software where you can request make the API request online. But first you have to install the Postman. So after installation, you will see this homepage, and you will need to create a new workspace. Say, let's see, IHI assignment. Yeah, okay. So after you make this, you will be able to do the request. So first, as what we instructed to do is we use this URL, but we will need to replace this by conventional name. Okay, and then I click send. You will receive the resource. You see the metadata resource, actually a lot of information here. Okay, so we can get something. The next test is to retrieve a patient. We only need to replace the last part of metadata by the patient and click send. Okay, good. You will see a 410 unauthorized access. That's because it will need some token for the authentication. So let's go to the authorization part. We choose OAuth 2.0. Then, although I successfully created some tokens, I just show you how to do that. You can choose the name of the token, and then for all of the following part, you should follow this table. Yeah, you just copy and paste. Only something you will need to replace, just this one and this one. They are the tenant ID. What is a tenant ID? It's just, if you still remember, we copied and paste, right, from the home page. So you replace by this one, and then this server name is just my conventional name. For your case, you have to change. And the client ID, as you see, you copied during the previous steps. It's here, application client ID. Okay, and the state 1, 2, 3, 4, client authentication, send client credentials in the body. So we, as you can see, I already filled in, so we don't have to waste time here. Yeah, so everything's here. You click get new access tokens. Yeah, if this is your first time, the system may prompt you to log in with your Georgia Tech ID, so you will need to do so. But for me, I already did it, so I don't have to do every time. Then you click use token. That means this new generated token will be used. And then we click this send. See what happens. Okay, nice. So we have access to the patient. This type is a bundle. That means a lot of patients. So that's it. Okay, next test. If you still remember, we have another type of request, which is post. Let's try this post. Let's follow the instructions. Okay, now you have access. You can post a new patient, right? So we copy this JSON file and follow here. This post will create a new patient. Let's try. Yeah, make sure it's no longer get but post. Then we need to So post means you want to send some information or you want to create something new. How to do that? We put this body, raw, and text. We choose JSON instead of text. Then we paste what we copied from the website. Then we click send. Okay, so the status 201 created. That means it's successful. We can see the response. Okay, what if now we want to get the patient again? Get means to read. So it has nothing to do with this input. So we choose get and we click. It seems the first part is still the same, but you see, rather than the first bundle type, it also has some entry part. And that means we have one more patient here. You can see the family name is Kirk James. This Jim is the new one, right? If you still remember, this is what we input just now. Okay, that means we successfully posted it.